All. So today I'm going to tell you about the difference between the PN junction diode and the zener diode. So let's see the circuit symbol of the PN junction diode as well as the zener diode. In the PN junction diode, you can see the circuit symbol looks like this. This is a P, this is a N. So whereas in the zener diode, you can see at the cathode it is in the Z shape. So mainly the avalanche breakdown will occur in the PN junction diode. So what exactly you mean by the avalanche breakdown is, so usually the normal PN junction diode, it is lightly doped. So lightly doped means the amount of the impurities added in the PN junction, it is less. So when the impurities are less, the less electron hole pair will occur. But in the zener diode, it is heavily doped. So heavily doping has been done in the zener diode. So as a result, the more number of impurities are added to this. So as a result, the more electron and hole pair will be there, and the amount of the current generated will be more. The main difference between the PN junction diode and the zener diode is the PN junction diode conducts only in the forward biasing condition. So whereas in the zener diode, it conducts both in the forward as well as in the reverse biased condition. So when the PN junction diode is reverse bias, after a certain breakdown, the PN junction diode stops conducting. But whereas the zener diode, it just conducts in the reverse bias condition also, you can see. So when you start increasing the reverse biasing, or when you start reverse biasing a zener diode, at certain point at a zener voltage, so that is the VZ, that is a zener voltage which has been set by the manufacturer. It can be set by the manufacturer. For example, the zener diode voltage can be set to the VZ is equal to -5 or -6, or so whatever the specification so a manufacturer can able to give. At a particular, so when you start reverse biasing at certain point, that is at the zener voltage, it just breaks down and a very large current will flow. The point at which it breaks down is called as a zener knee voltage, so that is IZ minimum, and the point at which it just increases, the current increases to a max, is called as a IZ max. So that is nothing but the zener current. The current which flows at a zener voltage is called as a zener current. So whereas in the PN junction, when it is reverse biased to a particular point, it just breaks down and it stops conducting. The main application of the zener diode is in the voltage regulation. Mainly zener diode is used for the voltage regulation in the circuits. So whenever you require only the output voltage of 5 volt or 7 volt or 8 volt or 10 volt, the zener diode is used, whereas the output provided by in the output voltage provided by the circuit will be 5 volt, 7 volt or 8 volt, whatever the manufacturer has set. So the main application of the zener diode, we have seen that it is a voltage regulation. So whereas the application of the PN junction diode, you can see in the half wave rectifier, full wave and the bridge rectification. And also the PN junction diode is used in the clippers to clip some portion of the alternating current. So hope you have understood the difference between the PN junction diode and the zener diode. So thank you.